Hey, Coach.
Hey, what's up?
When you were showing that scalp just a little bit earlier, you were on the 2 minute.
Tesla?
Would you say it's okay to stay in the 2 minute? Like, if I'm doing a 2 minute EVO strategy and then I
Yeah.
want to scalp the channels, is it okay to stay on the 2 minute chart, or should I switch back to a 1 minute chart?
If you're gonna scalp, if you're gonna scalp, go to the 1 minute because you want to be in, out, right?
Okay,
So the two
right,
minute is just gonna be a delayed it's just slower, right? Like it's the
got it.
exact same penny, but it's slower in your head to see it, right? So if we're gonna scalp like in, out, I would go to the 1 minute. Sometimes you'll even see me down here. I'll flip to 30-second to be really fast like this. So a lot of
Oh,
times if I'm
nice.
super fast, I'll literally be in a 30-second because I can catch it, you're right, long before the 1 minute. At least to me visually, I can go, okay, what's it doing? What's the real breakdown?
Right, got it. Okay,
Yep. So,
appreciate it.
so look at this. Look at the difference. Here's 30 seconds and here's 1 minute. You see how you're just getting more information?
Wow, yeah,
Yep. It's a lot more, but it makes a lot of people more nervous because, it's up, down, up, down,
you
up,
see it. Yeah,
down. Yeah. Yeah. Like right here, like, oh my gosh, it's pulling.
yeah.
It's pulling so hard. And then you look at the 1 minute and go, dude, what are you talking about?
That's funny.
Right? Like it's barely moving, man.
I
Calm down.
like that. I like how you have the two charts and then the one with the third. I'm going to separate
Yep.
it.
Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. And then, like, if Tesla was the only thing I'm scalping, I will do this. So here's Tesla here. Move this to a 5, right? It'll look like this. So I could have my scalping in the 30, 5 to give me a general overview of what's happening so I don't try to freak myself out. And then the 1, which will be the real up here. So this is what, if
Perfect.
I'm scalping just Tesla, this is what my screen looks like.
Awesome. Since I'm waiting on the 2 minute anyway, that would be perfect because I'd
Yep.
love to get in those Jimmy vortexes and then
Oh,
just
absolutely. So
go up and
set up your
down.
2 minute and let those ride, and then you can scalp stuff
Right.
around it.
No,
Yes.
second breathe.
Yep.
I love it. I love it.
Here.
Thanks, Coach.
You got it.